Today we're driving the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE 580 4MATIC SUV. This is a GLE with a V8 engine. Under the hood is a 4-liter V8 biturbo mild hybrid engine producing 510 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque. This car also has a 9G-tronic automatic transmission as well as 4MATIC all-wheel drive. Drives fantastically. Also thanks to the Airmatic air suspension which comes with this GLE. The exterior color is the polar white. And interior we have macchiato beige leather as well as the natural grain brown walnut trim. This GLE 580 is almost $100,000. It's about $96,000. And fuel economy is a modest 17 mpge, 15 in the city, 20 in the highway. This is a 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE 580 4MATIC SUV going on a test drive. Enjoy this drive video and subscribe to this channel. Oh, I needed to park the other way around. I'm gonna have to park in reverse. I haven't figured out to make it park in the direction I want, but just want to show you guys the parking assist in the GLE 580. I'm still kind of old school when it comes to parking. I gotta see how I'm parking. Don't really rely too much on the car to park it. Okay. That's it. A quick look at the V8 GLE 580 for 2025. Subscribe for Mercedes launch weekly videos. Till next time, stay positive. Peace.